Hello, my friends. This is a Kangaroo Questions 2019 for Mathematics for grade 5 and 6. Question number 12. Riri the frog usually eats 5 spiders a day. So normally it eats 5 spiders a day. When Riri's very hungry, very hungry, she eats 10 spiders a day. Now she at 60. In 9 days, how many days was she very hungry? So the question now, how many days she was hungry? Okay, let's say if she was hungry for 9 days, that means this number of hungry, maybe 6 days, 3 days, 2 days, 1 days, or 9 days. Let's say if it's hungry 9 days, that means she eat 90. And this is wrong according to the question. They said only 60. If we said that she was hungry for 6 days, that means she ate 60. Good. But 6 spiders for 60 for 6 days, but I have here 9 days. So also this is wrong. Let's say if she was hungry for 3 days, means 30. So let's say 30 spiders for 3 days. And another 30 because they said that they are 60 within the not hungry days divided by 5. The normal day means 6 days. Their sum is 9 as here 9 days. So the correct answer is 3. Why? Because she was hungry for 3 days. The frog finished 30 spiders, and in the other 6 days, because they said that they are 9 days, 30 divided 5 will be 6 days. 3 and 6, I will get the 9 days. So the correct answer, how many days was she very hungry? Just 3 days very hungry and 6 days not hungry. Okay, thank you.